one day left of work. Tomorrow's Friday finally. I'm watching Survivor. Let me know if you watch Survivor. I'm gonna go watch this and I'll see you guys tomorrow after work. Alright, it's the next day. You guys, I don't know how I did not realize this, but yesterday was my grandma's birthday in heaven. And the same day, yesterday, it was my 9-year YouTube anniversary. So I've been on YouTube for 9 years. Next year will be a whole friggin' decade. Like, that's insane. And I always say that she inspired me to start it because on her birthday, I made a YouTube channel. So thanks, Nana, for making me start something that I didn't even know I was going to be passionate about. But 9 years on YouTube, that's insane. So it's the weekend now, it's Friday, it's 7:14. We went to the mall. I got these earrings from Old Navy. They're cute, I think. They're adorable little things. They're tiny little hoops. Went to McDonald's, went to Starbucks, but I didn't get anything I was going to. Then didn't feel too well. I don't know, I'm good now. And then we went to the mall. Like I just said, I'm tired, I'm repeating myself. I have to watch the second half of Survivor and go to bed. It's still early though, it's on a Friday. And it's officially fall. So from now till April, I'm gonna be miserable and not happy. I thrive in the spring and summer. Something exciting is happening in those months. So stay tuned for that. I mean, it's not like actually set in stone yet, but my plans are exciting. Well, but for now, hope you have a good weekend. So I'm trying to unclog the drain because it's clogged. So I'm trying to plumb it. Not plumb it. Do that thing to it. I did not fix it. Did I fix it? I think I did. Matthew told me to plunge it and now it's working. Thanks, Matthew. What the heck? I fixed it. That's been clogged for like a week or more. And the water would go all the way to the end and we'd be basically taking a bath and a shower. Your girl did it. Thanks for the idea to Matthew. I fixed the shower. I'm making pancakes. Yum. I don't know what our plans are today, but I would like to go get some things to prepare for fall. Like, not decorations. I mean, boots and jacket, and I'm gonna have a jacket, but I want a rain jacket and things, but we'll see. It's depressing that I have to shop for this stuff, but I mean, you gotta be prepared. What's up? That's Lucky's bed, you don't touch that. What are you doing? What's up? No, no, no. What? What? Alright, I'm almost ready. I just have to, I hate to blow dry my hair, but I need to get ready. I need to go out, so I blow dry my hair, curl it, and then I'll be ready. I only do my makeup basically on Saturdays now. Okay, I'm ready. This is my outfit. Okay, now I'm ready. I'm gonna bring you, just in case I vlog. I need my hair to fall out a little. Okay, I gotta go. I'm trying to try on some shoes here. For my dresses. I tried on those. Those are no. The heel is too big. These are not bad. Alrighty, we're done at Walmart. Holy. I do not like going out on the weekend at all. It's too crowded. My mom is in there getting some McDonald's. I forgot wipes. I don't have sanitizer, do I? F. Oh. Sanitizer. I like to do the sanitizer and wipes. And also when we go back home, we wipe every item off before we put it away. Still. We're probably the only people that do it, but we do it. We want to be extra safe. Now I need wipes so I can scrub my hands. Anyway, hope you are all doing well. Walmart on the weekend. It wasn't like extremely busy, but it was busy. I go home, watch, what is it called? The Selena Gomez one. Only Murders in the Building. That's a real good show. So I'm gonna watch that because there's a new episode out. And then I'm gonna watch the second half of Survivor because I still didn't watch the second half. Guys, I'm physically so completely drained. I went to bed at like 10 yesterday, maybe even earlier, on a Friday night. That's how much I party. And also, I can put this up the same day. It's Saturday and my vlogs usually go out at 5 p.m. now because everyone's at school and work. Instead of 11. It's hot. So, my vlogs go out at 5 p.m. now. I don't know if I have time. It's 2 o'clock. I have time to edit, but do I have enough footage? Edit and upload in the same day. I hate missing days. That's the problem. And I can't believe I missed my 9-year YouTube anniversary. It's crazy. And yesterday was my 7-year anniversary of getting my eye surgery for my lazy eye that is going back to lazy again. But 7 years of having eye surgery. I can put a picture in here, but I don't know if you guys get queasy. So, you know what? I'll put a little warning. So, the picture is going to be right here in 3 seconds. That is what I looked like when I came out of the hospital the day I got it done. Pretty gross. And I feel like I took a whole month off work for that. The more you know. Hi, I'm good. How are you?
I'm very good. What can I do for you today?
Can I please have a mocha cookie crumble, please?
What size?
A small.
A small?
Yeah, without the caffeine.
Perfect. Anything else?
No, that'll be all.
Perfect. So it'll be 603. I'll see you at the window.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks. Yummy. Okay, maybe I'll upload this tomorrow because I don't have a lot of footage, and yeah. We came home, we went up to my grandma's house to spend some time with her because I haven't seen her all week, which is so sad, but I can't do anything after work. I'm like, my brain is out of my body and I'm not the same person. Anyway, went to see her, spent time with her, and it was nice. And now I'm gonna watch my 2 shows and relax. And my battery's dying now, so that means I gotta shut off the camera and relax myself. Guys, I'm gonna say goodnight here. I gotta change, get ready for bed, and then I'm gonna watch my show. So, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and spread kindness. Always, always, always spread kindness. Make sure that you are being kind, and I'll see you next time. Bye.